on the beach. So there's so much other you couldn't catch it? Can't believe you.
Not like I was scared. I didn't know what it is.
Everything you're
I
scared.
thought it is something.
Even if the breeze blow, you're scared. I can't understand. That even if the breeze blow, she's scared.
Back. Adjust it from the back now. Adjust it.
So mummy, so your husband this?
No, the son.
Oh, your son. Wow. So your mother looks so young. Hey, listen, stop telling lies. Stop telling lies.
That's my mom. Everybody say it.
Mommy, what's the remedy?
Eh?
What's the remedy?
The remedy?
Yeah.
Eat good food.
Eat good food.
No meat.
Okay, I hear son this. And I'm asking if it's the husband, your sonny. You need to do better than that, man. I stop walk and tell lies.
Yeah, man, it's my son. It's my son.
Stand up right there, guys.
It's my
Guys,
son.
look at this, guys. Start the tune. Is this a mom?
About vegan food.
Wagan.
Alkaline food.
Alkaline food. Now
Yeah.
it's not vibes carter, it's alkaline.
Alkaline food.
Yes. Wagan. What's in the pot?
Wagga.
We got-
Kalalulu, everything.
Kalalulu.
Everything is inside. Ginger, everything.
Chip chow.
I don't know what is chip chow. Okra.
Chip chow.
Yeah, chop chow.
Chop chow.
No, bok choy? No.
No.
It's called bok choy. In my language, it's called bok choy. What is the English name?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Good morning, blessed love, good morning. Hope you have been a wonderful day anywhere you are. So it is another morning here in Negril. You know how it goes already. Wonderful morning here in Negril, guys. So just gonna go to the shop quickly, get myself basically I'm gonna go to the shop quickly to find something where I can get to cook as well. Yeah, so I don't know what's the plan today. Today I feel like chilling, doing nothing. Today I feel like chilling before we go. I want to go to the Ritz Cafe as well too. Yes, and I need to go down by the beach side as well too. Chill for a minute, so that's where I think I might go today, because it's a very cool long day. It's a summer day today, today is not much doing anything, as you can see. It's on that day, Sunday, everyone is chilling. So guys, so please remember to like before watching, like whenever you're watching. Once you come on the video and the premiere, remember to put the thumbs up. Please to put the thumbs up to each time you're watching Kina Live in Jamaica. So welcome, this is your boy Kina speaking, and we're here another day in Negril. So I want to go get myself an avocado, coconut oil. Well. Yes guys, so guess what? Now I'm gonna leave the car here to get washed because the car is really dirty, so I'm gonna leave the car here to get washed, and I guess we're gonna get one of those bike taxi, you know, to take us along down the road, you know, while this car is gonna take a time, you know, to get it washed. So I'm gonna leave the key and then we'll circle back in a few, but stay tuned just 1 sec. So we're gonna leave it here to get washed and everything, because as you can see, it's busy here. We've got the bus to wash as well, so we've got these cars and everything, so it said it will take a little time. So the time it will take, I'm just gonna go on the road quickly, you know, jump on a bike taxi, because you know in Negril that's where they got the bike taxi, you know, there are the bikers things up. So we're gonna try out the bike taxi, you know, and then we're gonna head towards we're gonna go that way or that way. I don't know which way, but we're gonna go our way. So hopefully we get to where we're gonna go. So anywhere the bike takes us, that's where we're going. Anywhere the sun shines, that is where we're going, guys. So stay tuned. Remember, put the thumbs up whenever you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, smash that like button, please, and thanks. You know, thank you so much for supporting. So the bike them looks like that, you know. So you know the normal, the yang bike, you know, that's how we call it here in Jamaica, the yang shank. So we're gonna get one of those because in Negril they're known for the bike taxis, you know, so much of them. So I'm not a bike fan, you know, so hopefully all fear put aside, because me, I do like bikes. So the ride after ride so slow at so many miles slow per hour, you know. That's how it's gonna go. So guys, so thank you so much for watching. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica, and please remember to smash that like button whenever you're watching. If you're watching and you forget to like, pause your video, go back, like it, and then come back and watch. You won't miss a thing, right? So stay tuned to the bike ride. So I'm gonna give the guy a car key. So imagine, yeah, there's one thing, you cannot drive this car without a car key, so I guess the key is somewhere in there. Oh. Where? You cannot find the car key, or you cannot drive the car without the key. Oh, it's in this pocket. There we go. So about hour and a half, right? Alright. Yeah, so the guy said an hour and a half, so you know, we'll spend some time on the road, and then when we come back we'll be finished, I guess. Stay tuned. So I'm going to be waiting on a taxi. Yes guys, so D will be getting the bike taxi to come and pick me up. So we get two bikers, you know, to come and pick me up. So I'm gonna get a jelly at the meantime before she gets here. Wow, these jellies are big. Hello. You're the one selling the coconuts? Gone? Okay. name this? Okay.
Hey! Hey, man!
Let me get one here. Sweet coconut water now. Sweet coconut jelly. I'm nose gonna get them in this man. How much is this? You, Mujana. I'm heading towards like going towards Edism, like that side, that direction there. Like you're going back towards Montego Bay side, man, that direction, like going towards Edism. Yeah, a south side. No man, that's the direction where me attack, and that's how we drive from, coming from Lucy. Yeah, up on the beach road. Alright then. Yes guys, so D just called me. So I guess they're coming now with the bikers. But the sun is hot. I'm not even lying. The sun is lovely, but the sun is hot at the same time. Just imagine that. Lovely sun, but the sun is boiling hot. Well hot. That's it, fine. This guy, the sun is hot, so D them is coming on the road now. And the bike taxi, so we're gonna be heading that direction now. Whee! I'm not even lying. So when you're in Negril, you have no choice. It's either you get a taxi, a bike taxi, or a car. So either one you want. Bike or car. Bike or car. Let me see. Bike or car. Bike or car. But here where I'm standing is so cool. I have my jelly. You know, this is the corner. The man them come and chill. When everyone come and have a chill, you know, it's called cannabis stop. Fresh fruits, blend fruits, ice cold water, ice cold coconut water, fresh fruits dish, fresh vegetables, you know, fried plantain, fried fish, vegetable soup, you name it. See, these are the bikes. You could rent them or you can take a taxi there. This is the Negril. Rent them scooters, ride them bikes.
One coconut today.
Popcorn. Wow, go on popcorn. Them say one jelly a day keep the doctor away.
You don't know that.
That's what they say, right?
We got there 9 and we still.
Hey! I'm just turning. Alright guys, so the bike taxi thing is here. Well. This is
tell your driver not to do the thing because you don't know what he does.
Wheelie, big driver them man, right?
He raised you know, the front tire up on the air.
Should tell them. Alright then.
Yo,
So drive
General,
safe. Ready, my general? See it, this is how they do it here in Negril. You get me? It's either the car or the bike. Right? You know the thing go.
Bike taxi.
Bike taxi. Well. This man have so much fear for bike, you know, guys. But guess what? I'm trying this one. You know the thing go. Eh? Where's we're going? That side. Either you can. Rock and roll. Hey! Hey, Coco! Coco girl! Should have another bike to the car up. Coco, get on it. Yeah. Okay. So I must be right on it. Be a car used to. That is it. How much gear they make carry?
5. Yeah, only for speed up.
Yo, me I tell you, hey!
I should have friend.
Oh yeah, just stop out. That's how the thing go. We need Negril. We have to check out the bike taxi. Yeah, whatever it is. Okay.
Yeah. It's free, you know you have to pay about it.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, it's a great jungle.
Okay, over there, so. Yeah. Jungle. There's a nice spot, guys, where the jungle is, you know the thing go. That's how it is on a Thursday. Margaritaville.
It's a chili spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Chili spot. Right.
That is it. Margaritaville.
Take care of it.
Alright, pick up.
Love yourself.
General.
One drink from here. Yeah, man, I mean him Charlie, you know.
Charlie.
Charlie boy.
So guys, whenever you're here in Negril,
Yeah.
and you want to experience the bike, trust me, if you see him face,
Yeah, man, check out Charlie. Good on.
Charlie,
Alright.
good you.
Safe travel.
See you there. I'm here safe. All is well.
Alright.
That is it. It was a good experience, guys. I cannot complain. You know, first time, whoa, the fear gone now. Cause you know you have to do stuff to get rid of the fear. So guys, you know we're here at Margaritaville. Yes, blessings. Alright, so you know we're here at Margaritaville, you know. It's a chill spot. You know, we're gonna check it out and see how everything is. The mango spa. The mango spa. That's easy. Alright, yes I. Woo! Look.
One of you recommended this place here on Island. Let me check it out because I give you what you guys want.
The man a wheelie a while like and him hot fly off.
Wow, the beach.
Yes guys, so we're here at the Margaritaville. Let me see the chill spot. You know, let's go check it out and see what is going on, right D?
Yeah, that is it. Guys, the ride was something else. Kino, you ever rode a motorbike before?
No, this is my second time riding
In
unwind.
life?
Second time.
In your life?
Yeah.
In your life? Whoa,
Second
guys.
time.
This is the second time Kino is taking a motorbike ride in his life. For
Yeah.
me, that is the way we do the thing, go
No,
back
man,
home.
because you know why? I don't like dropping off bicycle.
Eh?
I don't like when I fall off the bicycle, it really hurts. So imagine falling off a bike. Extra hurts. So I rather stick to my vehicle.
To your Lamborghini.
Where I got the seatbelt on. Safer. Guys, I'm not that type for bike. I rather put on that seatbelt and I feel well safe. When I drop off bike, it's not a good experience. So trust me, that's why I stick to the car. Yeah man, whenever I drop off bicycle, it's not a good experience. So. Well. Hello. We're here at Margarita. That way.
It's back that way. You can see it from here.
Scuba diving.
Not scuba, para.
Oh, no.
Parasailing.
No, it wasn't here.
It was where?
I think it was back there where you would see it. It was far away. It's not here.
I got a new SD card just now.
Yeah.
You know, I think the problem was not the... Why is it not lighting?
Guys, this sun is burning different. Maybe because look how close it is. And look where we are.
No,
Says-
sunscreen.
Yeah. So right now we're standing on the beach. We're standing on the end of Jamaica. And one end of Jamaica. So this is one end of Jamaica. Once you're in the water, you're outside of Jamaica. Once you're in the water, so right now you're outside of Jamaica. So we're on the end of Jamaica, strolling down on the beach. Daddy, I heard I say on the beach. On the beach. The experience here. Well, that's Margaritaville, right? So where we are now, we're not at Margaritaville. So we already walk away from Margaritaville, walking along the line on the beach course, on the beach. So there's so much other car. You couldn't catch it? Yeah, I believe you.
Not like I was scared. I didn't know what it is.
Everything you're
I
scared.
thought it is something.
Even if the breeze blow, you're scared. I can't understand. That even if the breeze blow, she's scared. Everything, she's scared.
No. Fuck, why?
Get a hat, man.
There, man.
How much we add?
Which one? Jamaica?
Yeah.
Alright, give me $20 for it, man. I'm dropping one scarf.
$20 Jamaican? You asking for US or $20
Oh, you're
Jamaican?
asking for Jamaica?
Yeah.
Of course, look, we are Jamaicans. We're
Alright, give
not
me
from...
give me 2.5.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
That's good, not bad.
Wow,
Not bad.
that is too much. Let me
At
see.
$3,000, let me get one for you now.
I like your hustle. Just continue, right,
Alright,
man?
give me 2,000.
Buy something from me now.
Yeah, well, I have an hat right now, so if-
Alright, give me 2,000. Take off, you know.
Wow, me, I want to see this.
they're very nice.
Yeah, man.
You make them?
No, man, I buy them, man.
Oh,
Buy
you-
and sell.
Or you say buy and sell?
Yes,
The
buy
same
and
thing you
sell.
do as well, Rasta. You buy and sell.
Yes.
Buy and
yeah,
sell.
buy and
Okay. Buy and sell. Let me see how I'm looking at it.
Wait
Tell me how I look. And be honest in a Rasta. Tell me how I look.
You know, say look good man for Jamaica.
Jamaica. Yes.
Oh no, no, to a Jamaica thing. I want to know if it fit me, guys. Wait
It
it.
fit you, man. It fit you.
You see, I like the hustle.
No, I like the interview, you're the bunny now.
Yes, I like the hustle, guys. So,
Hustle, man. You have
so-
to hustle. If you don't hustle, we are dead. We hungry.
of course, that's true. So yeah, she's gonna support it, okay?
Yes.
Because she have to shade from the sun.
Yes.
I've got on one
No, my
already,
hair
so
is so big, it's not fitting.
that one fits all right.
This one fits alright?
Exactly how it is.
Exactly how it is?
Yeah, that's how it
But
should be.
I'm not getting the shade on my face.
No, it's on your forehead, so it's good.
Huh?
Remember, you can
It's on your
adjust it from
forehead.
the back. Adjust it from the
Okay,
back now.
okay.
Adjust it.
So, mommy, so your husband is?
No, my son.
Oh, your son.
Son and
Wow. So, oh, your mother looks so young. Hey, listen, stop telling lies. Stop look. Stop telling
I
lies.
tell you the truth, no man. That's my mom.
Everybody say it.
Mommy, what's the remedy?
Eh?
What's the remedy?
The remedy?
Yeah.
Eat good food.
Eat good
No
food.
meat.
Okay, I hear son this. And I'm asking if it's the husband, your
No, trust me.
son. You need to do better than that, man.
You are.
I stop walk and tell lie.
Everybody. Yeah, man, it's my son. It's my
Stand up
son.
right there, guys.
my mom.
It's my
Guys,
son.
look at this, guys. Start the truth. Is
That's my mom.
this a mom and son right
Yes.
there? Mm-mm.
That's it.
You know if you got a coat, you lose.
Eh?
No.
You have to have DNA to
Yes.
prove it.
Well, it's
Yes,
there, it's
well,
there, it's
we
there.
don't like
right?
the DNA
Everything
to
is there. Come
prove
not
it.
telling
Yes.
any lie.
No lie.
Yes, you have to have DNA, but
It's there.
But
come-
mommy, I like your jeans.
And I have big daughter. Bigger than him.
Wow.
Second one,
Alright, do it now for
second
that
one
one.
from the big daughter die. And him is the third one.
The
And I
third
have
one.
the fourth
Yes.
one, sick out.
So imagine.
Married and everything, and sick out, take drugs and he sick out. Do everything for himself, and I'm here for look about it.
Yeah,
Your
yeah.
brother
Yeah.
here.
Yeah,
He's a
wow.
slick man because he have me on video now.
I born
Yeah.
November, him born November.
Yes, I. Wow.
Born
So,
the 30,
November.
born the
Yeah, we are born
19,
now.
I born the 13,
born November.
and I have a great grand born the 3rd. That is for him, him son, daughter.
Alright, so tell me what you eat to stay so healthy. You live here in Negril?
No, in the country.
In the country, change it.
In the country.
Country always good.
Yeah, man,
The good
in the
weather, the
country,
good food,
you know?
natural, you
Yard, net, callaloo,
know?
fish, fish,
Yeah.
and drink good something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where?
No, you see now, he don't carry change with him, you know. He don't carry any money with him. I
Yeah.
carry change with me.
Yeah. So you know, mummy have to always lead by example and show
This
him how
is
to do it,
true.
right?
Yeah.
Wow, I couldn't believe it. Guys, you need to get this gene. Eat well and look at that. Hello, how you doing? You enjoying? Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to Jamrock.
You don't spend anything
Big man.
with me.
All
What
right,
does that
thanks.
respect? Love your
I
vibe.
only wanted one, mommy. Next time.
Okay,
Next
have a
time.
good day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So,
Yes.
so the mother, so the son.
Yes.
All
yes.
is well.
Yes.
Right?
True, true.
Yes, man.
Like
Take care.
your
Yeah?
style.
You like my
We are
style?
black people, you know.
Thank
And we
you.
take care of each other.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
Continue seeing me,
Yeah,
yeah?
man. Respect, man.
You give me high hopes.
Yes.
So when I'm your age, I'll be looking like 25.
Yes.
You know? Alright. Look at that, guys. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh my days. I couldn't believe that was her son. You know, hear me I say, say mommy, I hear husband apart and it's not even her husband. Oh my days. Can you imagine that? So it's good food, good gene, you know? Good genes. Fly out, man, fly out, fly out. Just like mine.
Just like yours.
Yes.
But I love it, honestly. Let me keep it in the bag. Woo! Okay. Let me keep it in the bag.
Imagine it's Monday, you know, and the beach is more packed than yesterday and Saturday. So it looks like beaches for Monday here in Negril. So if you come here on a Saturday and a Sunday, you won't see no one. But if you come here on a Monday, hey, you see everything. How wonderful is Jamaica? Jamaica, Jamaica. So Margaritaville is where we're gonna be, you know, chilling out on the beach. On the beach where you get the steam fish. On the beach where you on the beach where you get the steam. Blessed uncle. Are you loving Jamaica?
Love it.
Love it. Thank you. Jamaica. You know, Jamaica is so wonderful, I'm not even lying. Welcome to Jamrock. So this is where you got the craft shops. Everything crafty. So look at this, you have all the sea crab. You have the sea crabs here. Scorpion. Look at that. You want a beer? This man is so skilled. Wow. So talented. So talented. Irie man, Irie. So talented guys. You wanna have a beer? Lager. Talented. Wow. Ladies, welcome to Jamrock. ladies them. Hey. Welcome to Jamaica. So here is you have Vicitini. You have Vicitini over here. Wow, it's so nice. The weather is beautiful and everything and lovely. Hey, come on man, you can do better. Sure how it's done now, sure how it's done. Hey, too strong. It was close. Yeah, you have to throw it exactly like that. No, you have to throw it like that. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Yeah, just throw it. That is it. Wow. This place is lovely. As you can see, guys. So them say all the way that direction is where you find Edoism, all the way that way. You know, beautiful. I want a place to stay. Beautiful. Welcome to Jamrock. So guys, Jamaica is so beautiful. Imagine, I wonder if I can get a phone call from one of my greats. My great call me and say, Kino, you know I've seen you in Negril and guess what? We are related. And that piece of beachfront that you're walking and I owned it. So I'm gonna give it all to you. So you can build, you can this, you can chill, do anything you want to do. Imagine that you inherit something coming from your family. That is so lovely. Wow.
And other places. He's such a funny guy.
Who?
When they see you, you're like a threat. He's asking me, who is that guy?
Oh, you tell him I'm the ninja.
I tell them you're the ninja.
Oh, and them start to worry. When them see Kino, them worry. You know, so I probably have to lose this part out of it. Woo! The weather. You say you're under the weather. Under the sea. That's where it's altitude massage. Well, can I get a massage for today? Can I get a massage for today? Heavenly touch. Over there. Yeah.
They're cool.
Oh, is that where it is? Massage.
The price of this Jamaican
I was just checking out your Heavenly Touch massage.
Oh.
Are you get the Heavenly Touch?
Yeah.
Why is it heavenly? Come tell me why.
How much money for this?
Oh, it's $15 for one.
No, me, I'm like you. You see? When you tell me US, I'm like, wow, what are you saying?
Heavenly touch. Heavenly touch. You're gone to the world. Promotion. Hello, good day, good day.
15 in a Jamaican.
It's probably about 2,000. These are some cottages. Wow, around here is cool. It's so cool around here. Around here feel like heaven. Hello, mommy.
2,175.
Around here, hello.
And she's the fruit lady.
Fruit lady.
Yes, Vern.
Hello, Vern. What you got for me over there? Fruits. Hello, is that your mommy? Mom.
She's not my biological mom, but she's the one that takes care of us here.
Oh, so mommy can take care of me too? You can't adapt me. Why? But not cost much to look after.
So how much did you say, money?
It's 2,175.
So it's like 2,000. Discount of 1,000. You take card here?
No.
No.
There's a machine right across the road if you want.
Because I just remaining some little cash. If I spend it, that is it. I won't eat. I'll be out of cash.
Oh, right here is very cool. I'm not even lying.
2,000. But you know, what do you think? I feel like Negril, the prices are better than Ochi. Right?
Well, you're buying, so you should know.
Yeah, that is the thing. No, even food, everything. You know? That's what I feel like. You have two like that? Come talk to me. You two man go pan.
No,
so I go and tell me something. How the massage go? How the heavenly touch work?
It's just so nice, relaxing. You're doing a massage?
Huh? No, I'm asking her how it works, how much and everything.
It's $1 a minute for the massage, so
$1 a minute?
yes.
Oh, so that's like 100 Jamaican dollar a minute.
We don't do 1 minute though.
1 minute?
$1 a minute.
We do
One
like
US or one Jamaican?
1 US.
1 US.
1 US. So if it's 50 minutes, it's 50 Jamaican.
$50.
$50.
If it's 20, 20. If it's 10, 10.
Yes.
Okay.
So how much massage you can get in a 10 minutes, sir?
You're not gonna get much. You just
Just like
yeah,
Yeah, that's
do
like
wherever you want
quick and fast.
to be focused on.
So if I want 10 minutes, you have to do so much thing in 10 minutes. Woo, 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 woo,
10 minutes
woo,
more.
woo.
Where would you want
Everywhere.
it? No, you can't get everywhere. You can't get everywhere for 10 minutes. Then you won't be having a massage. You'll
Yeah.
just be
Yeah, where? So where can I get for 10 minutes?
wherever you want.
That's what I said, everywhere.
No, you can't get everywhere. You
Alright.
just pick a part if you want your neck, your
Okay.
feet, like a reflex on the feet, 5 minutes each.
Okay. Oh, for 5 minutes and 1 feet each. Smart. What's your name?
Nicole.
Nicole. So guys, if you ever here in the Negril Beach, walking down and you need a massage, you can come check Heavenly Nicole where you get the heavenly touch. Trust me. It's
What's
gonna
your
worth it.
YouTube name?
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Like me.
So you can
Follow you.
yeah, so follow me. Because when you get that heavenly touch, you're like, whoa. You know, you probably get more than 10 minutes, more than an hour. You know, so heavenly touch. So where would you do it? In the house?
In there.
In there,
Yeah, and we do like on the beach also.
on the beach.
Yeah,
Jeez.
depends on what the client wants.
So guys, so you cannot go wrong, you know. When she's over you giving you massage with these hands on your back, you cannot go wrong. The heavenly touch. So it's Kino.
K-I-N.
There you go. See that at the top already. It's Kino Life in Jamaica.
Okay, so I subscribe.
Thank you
And
so much.
she's Keisha also.
Oh,
Both of us work here.
Keisha fright now. Well, Keisha.
You're too easy to frighten, man.
Yeah, I'm not. Hello, how you doing, Keisha?
Thank you.
Heavenly touch. So I'm the Heavenly Father.
He's a YouTuber.
Yes. God, through your business name, Heavenly Touch, so I'm the Heavenly Father, and this is Heavenly Nicole. You know, blessings to be general, see that in general himself. Yeah, man, so check it out, man. I'm going to some promotion, you know. Yes, for the business. So she got the YouTube channel there, so you can see it.
So
as
if
well
we
too.
give
So
you
her
a card,
contact. Yes, I can give your number a shout out because they do call in as well too.
Yes.
Okay, so give a shout out to your number. And guys, we said don't call and stalk. Please don't call and to stalk. Call for massage, you cannot go wrong. Right, Evelyn Nicole, because they might see it and say, one day if Nicole is single, you know, one day if she married, but let me see, no ring on the pan finger, you know, because, you know, everywhere we go, we're matchmaking Evan, so this is Evelyn Nicole, so well, let's see. So you don't know the number from Ev?
No, we're giving you the card.
Okay, so see that you have Keisha and Nicole, guys. You can see this clearly. So I'll probably say it on the screen. So Nicole, you say your number. It's on the card then.
Oh, it's 1-876-869-7595.
95.
And
Keisha.
Keisha's number is 1-876-275-4370.
That is it. So we have Nicole and we have Keisha. So nice to meet you know. The Heavenly. So this is the Heavenly Father meeting the Heavenly Ladies.
Okay,
So,
Kilo.
alright, then take care. General.
Nice to meet you.
Big up. Yes guys, so I'm gonna say feel free, you know, to give them a call to get your massage done if you're here on the beach. On the beach. Alright, you're a moment? Alright. Whew. I have to put my shades on. Jeez. It is so hot. I'm not even lying. No, because this here, man, you're good, man. Yes. Well, guys, well, we're gonna take a swim. You know how it goes. You know, the Almighty. Here I've been speaking about the sun, and guess what happened? The sun is shading a bit for me. So I've been saved by the sun. The sun. All I'm at the sun. Now the sun gone in. Now we can take a swim. The sun is. Oh, the sun, please don't come out. No, don't come out. Don't come out. Guys, the sun is trying to come back out. Stay with me.
Wow, guys.
The sun don't give me a
Guys, so guys, we're gonna have a good time swimming, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, you're missing a lot. D Mwango Official and Kino Life in Jamaica. We're gonna take some good pictures, so yeah, go on and follow us, and don't miss to subscribe for more videos. All right,
sun is going in, guys, so I guess it's the time for the big swim. 3 o'clock. I need to go get my car as well. So the guys, the sun is gone in, so the Almighty answer my prayers. The sun is gone in. As you can see, the sun is nowhere to find. The sun is nowhere to find. So can take a little swim now here in Negril. Well, everyone is having a nice time. Yes guys, I'm taking you along to have a swim with me. Wow, the sun is coming back out. Right now, I'm gonna chill on this tube. Chilling on this tube. The water is so clean. Got rain that way. As you can see, there is rain that way. Wow, what is this? A pool or a tube? It is a tube. So relaxing. I'm chilling. If God is willing. I'm chilling. It's raining again. Oh, chilling. This is my view. As you can see, this is my view. Bird's eye view. And I'm here. I am chilling. The sun is coming out, but I'm still chilling. Chill. Eee. The sun is out now. Whew. Guys, the sun is back out. As you can see, the sun is getting a challenge by the cloud. This minute is in, next minute is out. So let's see. Let's see. But I'm in that chilling mood. Not much of the swimming mood. Chilling. This is nice though. You know them have this out here. This is so nice. It's the first time I'm seeing one of these. This is the first time I'm seeing one of these out here.
Hey, soft life.
Soft life.
No, the thing. Hold this for me, please. Hey, I need to go. You know the last time what we did, guys, our GoPros, they got messed up. For me, it's not once, it's 2 times. So today we're trying to be careful not to swim with them. You know?
I'm thinking it's gonna happen.
Huh?
It's alright, I swim with mine already.
You swim with yours already? Can't believe it, you know. Hey, this feels so good. Yeah. Welcome to Negril, aka Soft Life. Wow, this is good, guys. And the way we are enjoying these things, you think we are included in the resort? No.
We just walk by and capture.
You know, said we take over.
Take over. Just walk by and take over. That's
Somebody will think we paid for all inclusive.
I'm telling you. You see a cabana with a net with a stake it.
A cabana? It's called cabana?
Call it cabana.
Cabana.
So well, I'm gonna put down my camera. You know, cause GoPro, we don't trust you anymore. GoPro, we don't trust you anymore. For water go through the door. Not paying no money for you. But the last camera would mash up because of you. So you're telling me the GoPro is waterproof. You're telling me the Pro is proof. Jump in the water is no. Because of you and you, I lost so many views. Yes guys, so I'm going to put the camera down so I can have a swim. And then I need to go get my car from the car wash I was going to. So I need to do that also, and then I will get back. Yes, it's too bad GoPro, I'm not going to swim with you. My grandmother always say, you know, grandma, mommy always say, people always said prevention is better than cure. So which one you rather? I rather prevent it more than next thing I have to go and cure it. No, prevention is better than cure, so let's work with that one. That's for sure. So I'm gonna, well, as you can see, the beach. These guys up there playing volleyball. Playing volleyball. So the beach go all the way up, as you can see, all the way up, you know, to where the naked beach is. The naked beach. Look on the zinc fence. I think we're at Trenchtown over there, right? You see the zinc fence. You must be like, Kina, you're in Trenchtown. Stop lying, you're not in Negril, because what? We see the zinc fences. So Kina, so you're not at Negril. You're at Trenchtown. Trenchtown have beach. But if you look all the way back that way, there's so many rain. There is rain. Yeah, in that direction. So many rain.
You dance like this.
Nice to see you. I watch you every day, 4, 5, 6 hours.
Oh, thank you
But
so
I don't
much.
have a thing like you do. But you
Yeah,
guys are doing great.
thank you so
I am
much.
so glad I see you. Oh my God. It's nice to meet you.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much for watching.
Finally.
Look at this. I was telling everybody about when you went to buy the water. And the guy said you had to pay more for the cold water. I said, if I was there.
It's not crazy. Her Marvin's up there. He would like to meet her. How are you?
I'm alright.
Finally. You're a YouTube star, eh?
Yeah.
I just want to
Make me the star.
But hold on, eh? But hold on. She says, is that her? I looked and said, it is her.
Because I recognized him first.
Yes.
Your podcast now, but it's not his face.
But I heard when she said something to me, and I said, it's her. It's her.
Yes.
Yeah. So you're
So much. I know that.
Huh?
you visiting here today?
Yeah, we just finished.
You're not staying in Ocho.
No, no,
Okay.
no. We just finished here.
This is not even Ocho, this is Negril.
Yeah, this is
I don't
Negril.
even know this place.
And we
Yeah.
My first time.
Your first time here?
Negril, yeah.
Wow, how you like it?
Negril, I love it.
What you
Love
see
it.
is
Yeah,
what
what you
comes.
Really nice.
Nice.
It is really, really nice down here. Trust me.
some people
I like the energy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I really like
So
the
we didn't, we
energy.
got kind of late. It came like 1 o'clock, so we didn't really get much of it.
Oh, okay, came late. Wow,
Nice.
so
I'm
late.
laughing.
You're so much taller than I see you on.
I know, that's what they all say.
This is one of the remember we watched a woman on YouTube? This is her. One of the YouTubers we watch. Yeah, YouTube. She's one of the people we watch. Remember the Kenny?
Guys, I need to go collect my car. It's been at the car wash for too long now, so that's where we're going to head to get the car. I'm trying to get something to eat, so stay tuned. Outside. Bless up, big up, big up.
Mango.
Yes, please.
Fine.
Why pray?
That is it. You good?
Big up yourself, man. See
Every
you.
time.
Welcome home.
Thank you. Jamaica is nice.
Believe.
Yeah.
Great people.
Every time. Thank you for watching, my general.
We really
Thank you so
appreciate
much
it.
every time, yeah?
God bless.
Come here the beep and me I wonder who's that now?
is it.
You know? President himself. Alright, cool. Hey. Yes guys, so we had a good swim. You can come, it was a good swim.
Yeah, guys, what do you think? I got this. I love it. I love it so much. It's like a dress, you know? Let me take it because I'll wear it tomorrow. I want to take it off.
Yeah, so welcome to Jam Rock.
Yeah.
Yes guys, so right, you know whenever you swim, you know what the seawater does to your belly, right? Tell me, whenever you go to the beach and when you're leaving, what's on your mind? Take a guess.
What?
What's on your mind when you're leaving the beach after the seawater went into your belly and everything?
And mouth.
And mouth.
The next thing is fish.
Food, you know? The seawater dig out everything out your belly, leave you with
Some
what?
rice in the house. Yesterday we cooked, but today all is washed. Yeah.
So the seawater washed out everything.
Yeah.
Leave you with nothing. Nothing at all. Oh sir. You see these are private area but you can escape through.
Yeah.
You know?
And you can end up not paying.
So guys, so we'll confiscate one of the the guests them, we call them beach beds. We take it over. You know?
Even the thing on the water.
Yeah. Look now, so here now we're going past it. Hello. How are you doing?
Alright, thank you.
There's someone coming on. Alright.
I bought myself so much.
Jamaica.
Jamaica! It's in my DNA. You don't know the tingle. This is beautiful. So my size is 6. Size number 6.
That's big for 6 as well.
Size number 6.
Alright, so over here. We go over here and get it.
Boy,
The worst thing with getting food is waiting for it.
I tell you. Now I need to sit and wait.
And
Oh,
wait.
sushi! But wow, this is beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, what about there? And your free Wi-Fi for the guests?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright guys, we just changed the table. We're gonna sit here because we love the outside so much.
You know how the thing go?
Yeah. Alright guys. I love the tables. The wooden tables look so good and the art. Beautiful, such a beautiful place.
Right, so we come inside because there's too many flies out there. So we come inside. Thank you so much.
Do you have anything to do?
Let me get the drinks menu, please. You have strawberry daiquiri?
Yes.
That is it. Let me get a strawberry daiquiri, please. Yes.
Oh,
Here is it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Yes. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, 'cause you cannot leave your bikini all over the place. You keep it one place.
It's my bikini or it's your... Okay, I'm not putting it. Kina, how do you say it's my bikini? I cannot leave your bikini all over the place. Kina is such a lie.
I'm joking, you know, I'm joking, yeah.
She must come back. I tell her it's not mine.
Alright.
It's yours. That's one I must. Let me leave it here so that she can see it. Kina is something else, guys. You know? Nowadays, Kina is so much used to me. He even jokes and tells me I'm ugly. Wow. Here.
Yes.
This looks so good.
Thank you. Wow, look at this, guys.
Wow,
This
the
is
fish
the-
is small. I'm used to big fish. Wow, look at
Let me see
that.
them.
I don't know, I think it's something with Negril. They don't have like Shaki's fish.
No,
It's
that's
always
why.
small size.
Yeah, Sharkies is Sharkies.
Shaki's is Shaki's.
That's where you get all the sharks.
Where you get all the sharks. Alright, guys. So welcome guys. We're gonna be having a good early dinner or late lunch. What time is it, Kira? It's 5 now.
It's late lunch,
Oh, late lunch.
so we have to go
Alright.
eat again.
We're gonna eat again?
Late lunch. Remember when it was at the guys? It was at the beach.
Oh wow, the
Oh,
plantain.
the plantain.
The plantain has made
Oh.
me add all this.
Switch
You
the
see
side.
this? This is plantain. You know that? This is plantain. Wow guys, look at that. Welcome
That
to
is it. So-
Jamaica.
Sit.
Hi!
Hey yo.
Oh good. Thank you so much. She's awesome.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Appreciate. Wow guys. Alright, I'm having fish.
Yes, guys.
French fries.
It's that time right now.
Plantain. What is this, Kino? Looks
Eh?
so good. This is salad.
Chip chow.
Chip chow. No way. This is not chip chow.
Pop chow.
My glass of wine, Kino rice and peas, and there's fish underneath hidden. Alright,
Chip
let's
chow,
enjoy
chow,
guys.
pop chow.
Enjoy with us.
Yes,
To make a
guys.
good life. Wow.
Hey.
Wow. Jamaica,
Jamaica.
nice.
Nice.
Yo.
Very nice.
Jamaica nice, guys. Cheers. Woo. Yeah, love the wine.
Cheers to another one.
Hey. Cheers on this side. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
There you go, guys. Taste the rice, taste the fish, taste the salad, taste the plantain.
So good. If you know, you know.
You know the
The
thing.
plantain. You see it? There's a thief on my plate. But just because it's Kino, it's alright.
I borrowed it.
I bought it? No.
So when you borrow, you can bring back, right?
Wow. Alright
best.
guys, I want to have a good time. I'll see you later, alright?
See you later.
And I'll tell you how much we will pay for all this. This goes for less than $1,000 for the wine. I'll let you know everything, how much it is.
Let her know the thing go.
Yes, please.
Right.
Sometimes it's good just to enjoy.
That is it.
Because this life, sometimes you try to squeeze yourself so much, then you lose everything. And you're like, wow, I used to have money, but I never even used to have a good time.
True.
Then now I cannot even have the good time anymore. Me, there's a day, wow, I cannot forget. It's a long story.
The rice. Yes, rice and peas taste good. I'm not gonna lie. I like the rice and peas. Very nice. This is my salad.
What did you say tastes good?
Rice and peas. It's been a while from I've been eating out. It's been the longest while I've been tasting a rice and peas this good. I'm not even gonna lie. But I had rice and peas at so many different places. But this one for me, on top of the list. I'm not even gonna lie. Top of the list. This one is on top of the list. Me. So eat with me. And guys, I'm having strawberry daiquiri. Strawberry daiquiri.
That looks good. Wow.
It's called strawberry daiquiri.
I'm gonna order it again. It looks so good.
1 second. Alright, that is it, guys. That is it. The only thing leave is the fish head. You know, and I think I'm gonna think about the head.
Me, I'm finishing up.
I think I'm gonna have the head.
Look at mine.
And the oh lord, only the fish head.
Nothing on the plate.
Nothing on the plate. You know, there's one thing though. We're here eating, but I don't get the name of the place. What's the name of where we're eating? Matthews.
Yeah, I showed it when I was coming in.
Matthews. So like Matthews in the Bible.
Yes.
So that's why the food tastes so holy.
Good service.
You know, because Matthew is from the Bible, you know. John, Matthew, Luke, and
John.
Alright, so that's why we're here at Matthew, having the swim around. And the rice and peas is so nice as well too. My drink.
We can recommend.
Where's my drink? Am I gonna get a refill? Am I gonna get a refill? But my strawberry daiquiri is really nice.
Yeah.
Remember the last time I make you taste it? It was at somewhere else, but it wasn't that tasting that good. Remember? And you say it was too sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, this one wasn't too. Oh, it's the same.
Yes.
Yeah, the last time I tasted, I was like, I can't drink this. It's too sweet.
But this one is different. It tastes good. Everything is on point. Especially the rice and peas, the best so far. We're traveling in Jamaica. I'm not even lying.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Guys, it's really good. Yeah. Matthews. It's on the in Negril here. On the stretch where you find everything.
The best food.
Best food.
Best service. They cook quick.
Yeah. You don't have to wait after coming from the beach. Imagine that.
Yeah.
Imagine if you have to wait 2 hours.
Yeah.
In the moon. So guys, if you reach this far, you have to hit that like button. Remember to smash the like button whenever you're watching. Please check out Kino Life in Jamaica if you're here. Just passing by, remember, subscribe. Don't just pass by now, walk by or look by. Just stick and stay. Subscribe, enjoy. You know what I mean? That is it, right?
That is it.
That is it.
Alright, time to go.
Time to go.
I wish we went to Reefs Cafe, but we are so
But listen, we're not going that way. We're going that way. If you go that way, you have to pay. If you go that way, you can escape. So which way are we going, D? Which way are we going? That way. Yes, guys. So follow us going this way. We're skipping this bill. Skipping it. So we're skipping it to the end. That's what it is.
About, yeah.
Vegan food.
Wagga wagan.
Alkaline, waga, and alkaline food.
Alkaline food. Now it's
Yeah.
not vibes cracker, it's alkaline.
Alkaline food.
Yes. Wagga wagan. What's in the pot?
Waga,
We got-
kalalulu, everything.
Kalalulu.
Everything is inside. Ginger, everything.
Chip chow.
I don't know what is chip chow. Okra.
Chip chow.
Yeah, chop chow.
Chop chow.
No, bok choy? No.
No.
It's called bok choy. In my language, it's called bok choy. What is the English name?
What is it?
Choy. It's pop choy. Guys, I know the thing. Go.
You should know the
I can
thing.
teach you the tingo.
The tingo. All the tingo.
She thinks she know the tingo. Hey, today I laugh on you in my video when the guys say 500. I say, guys, she don't know the tingo.
You don't know the thing. You don't know the tingo.
Because you know what is funny? Because 2 minutes before you tell me 500, the other local tell me is 200, and then I meet you and you tell me 500, and I'm like,
No.
this.
But I didn't give them a tip, so it was still okay.
Yeah.
Of course, it's
You don't
okay.
know the tingo. Yeah, Wagga Wagga know how the tingo. So Wagga Wagga pot smells so good. Let me see. Wagga Wagga. Wow.
Wow.
We got okra. We got
Okra, ginger, everything, even spices, even the habanero spices,
and kulalu.
pep, kululu, everything.
Kululu.
Everything is inside. The whole party.
The whole party is inside.
The whole party.
And we have over here. We have the.
Salad, of
Salad.
course, it's a must. It come together.
So all Coco Girl eat is all alkaline, healthy food. The kululu, the okra, you know, and the chop choy by D Mwango, the chippy choy, yeah, chop up and she have the olive oil on it.
Everything is inside.
Side.
Don't jealous, don't jealous.
Don't jealous, guys, don't jealous. It's good to eat healthy.
Yes, we need to
Keep the body. They say keep the belly flat. She's keeping her belly flat.
My belly cannot be flat never. I have a fat here and it's forever like.
Wherever you need to run
Yeah.
and do sit-ups.
No, I'm okay with this. Like,
Sit-ups.
You see, like let's show them from the side. I'm okay with that.
Sit-ups.
I don't want. I want this.
You want
like,
that?
Yeah.
Okay. That fat is for souvenir.
Yeah. You know, if you come to Africa
Mm-hmm.
and you don't look like if you're so skinny, people. This is what they told me. People think that the husband don't treat you well.
Oh.
When the woman is
Fat.
fat, I swear this is how it is going Africa. When the
Yeah.
woman is fat, people know husband treat woman well.
Well.
Yes.
Okay.
This is how you know.
Oh.
This is
So
the
so
thing.
if I come Africa and you're slim,
People will ask you questions.
that means that he doesn't treat you well.
Yes. People go to the men and ask questions.
Can you eat alkaline food,
Okay.
only vegetarian?
Okay. Remember that I talking about alkaline. I'm trying to be like healthy, but I can buy for me and for you now pizza.
Yeah, but you cannot get fat.
No,
You cannot get fat. You will
No.
always stay that way.
I'm trying.
You try. You don't have to try. What you're eating, you'll stay that
No,
way.
it's not true. When I was in Israel in
Yeah.
the war time, I was so depressed because my friend was kidnapped.
Okay.
I get like more 4 kg.
Yeah? Wow.
I was depressed home, don't move, eating. Imagine.
Okay, yeah. Wow. Sad. But I'm glad you're okay now. You're happy,
Thank you.
you know, and everything.
Thank
So, how was your day today?
Fire.
Fire. Wow.
Fire.
Fire.
I'm telling you, it
Wow.
was fire day.
I wouldn't. You jump off the cliff?
No, of course not.
Okay.
You jump?
No.
You're afraid?
No, I haven't
what-
tried it. I haven't done it, not yet. But I will
You
jump.
need to do it.
I remember I'm Superman, you know, so I will jump.
So you need to pull us.
Yes, I'm gonna put on my life jacket and jump.
I want to be there.
Guys,
I
you
want
don't
to-
know. I won't leave my life jacket. I will jump with my life jacket.
Okay, but I have an important question. What about the umbrella?
The umbrella.
Yeah, this umbrella.
No. You want it to wear? I need you to wear it first.
Never, brother. Well, I'm still single and I want my husband. You have this umbrella?
Yeah.
Nobody will not take
Avocado.
me. Yeah.
Umbrella.
Because
Today
it
the
was
sun
hot?
was hot. We went swimming though.
Today it was hot, too hot. I agree with you, yeah.
Okay, Coco, leave you to do waka wakan with the pot.
Okay.
You know, have fun.
I'm here.
Alright then guys, that is Waka Wakan. Please to check out Waka Wakan. The link will be in the description. Coco Waka Wakan. The link is in the description.
Thank you, my brother.
That is it.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.